I get asked all the time, can you make this for me? Sometimes a custom project starts with nothing more than a photo, a sketch, or an idea. At Echo Miniatures, we take reference images and turn them into real 3D printed miniatures, replacement parts, buildings, accessories, and one-of-a-kind models. If you have something you want made, repaired, recreated, or brought to life, visit echominiatures.com and click Request a Quote. Just include a reference image so we can review your project accurately. Echo Miniatures, bringing your ideas into miniature reality.